Hey guys, how you doing? So I wanted to talk about the market today. We're at a point that's kind of cool. We are kind of booming, but it feels kind of sideways. Perhaps even feels a little down, but it's not. This is a great time to look at some things that we're doing. Move some money around, probably put some more money in, and look at what kind of tokens are making the moves that you want to see at this point in the market. If we feel a little lukewarm now, this is a good time to grab something up that might have a positive trajectory. Okay, so I want to look at some of that, and we want to just move around a little bit and see casually what kind of tokens are sticking out. I'll tell you what I'm looking at. Like if we're on Coinbase, just taking an idea, like you know, we're up 3%, 4% in a couple of the big, Bitcoin and ETH. Cardano's having a big boom. I spoke about Cardano before. Don't love them, but I cannot knock their hustle. They are booming right now. If we scroll down, Polkadot's looking good, up 12%. Uniswap's up 4%. So these are examples. A lot of positives. Look at this. Internet Computer, ICPs, up 16%. What's funny is the market feels slow because these two are only moving at 3 or 4% when everything else is doing good. What that tells me is it's altcoin season. Altcoins are doing the thing. So I want to look for some altcoins. Which one do I look for? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin's $1 trillion market cap probably. Let me go over here to CoinGecko and take a look. So Bitcoin is at $877 billion market cap. Ethereum, $365 billion market cap. And nobody else is even approaching 100 billion. So these are the two head honchos. What I want to do, the big guys move slow. The smaller guys move big. So in an altcoin season, you want the guys with lower market caps. You want the market cap to be low, but not too low that they're insignificant. So I scroll down. Look at that, a lot of green on the charts, man. Woo. All right. So I'm gonna scroll all the way down to, let's see, I'm gonna go all the way down. We're still in the $1.2 billion market cap. Let's get off this page. Let's go a few pages over. We're in the top 100 coins here. We're going to go over to, where are we at? There we go. 277, $280 billion market cap. $1 million market cap. Now we're getting into the smaller coins. So let's scroll down and see if anybody's looking hot, like right in this area here. In the last 24 hours or the last something like that. Let me see. Ardor, no. CUNY, stablecoin, no good. Quick swap. This one is a good one. I do a little quick swap. You don't look at that price again. $640 does not matter. You look over there at the market cap. Where's my? There it is. $233 million. That's the important part. I'm doing some clever, staking some clever. But let's go down further. I'll show you what I look for in a coin. Eternity chain, look at that. 54.5%. 28.2% in the last 7 days. Okay, this is one I want to look at. $213 million market cap. This looks like a winner. Let's click on it and check it out. This is just what I look at when I'm looking for smaller tokens that I want to use to give myself a big boost. Okay, let's read through it a little bit and see what they have. Okay, Eternity Chain 1922 is up 28.5% today. That's good. What's the market cap? 213 million. That's good. Nice and small. Leaves a lot in the pan. $39 million in the last 24 hours. People traded on it. $35 million total value locked. Like to see that a little bigger, but it is what it is. Now let's look at the chart. Okay, in the last 24 hours, it looks like it's on an uptrend, and that's great. Look at that boom. Look at that boom from 750 on the 19th up to 833 in 20 minutes. Look at that growth. This thing shot up almost 30%. This is a hot token right now. So let's back out to the max and look at the entire chart. We will look at what the picture looks like. Okay, here's what's good. When it came out, it had a launch probably at $6.30. Shot up to almost $70. Where'd it go to? 67 bucks. That's a nice jump. From $6.67, that's a 10x already. Then it went down. It fought a little bit. It continued down. It had another little bit of a fight. I don't want to go down. I don't want to go down. But you're going down. At 27 bucks, it climbed back up to. And then it went down into what we call like a price discovery mode. Like, let's figure out, okay, when we launched, we had this big pump. That tells you the interest is there. People like it. Then it goes back down and it says, what's our true value? Okay, maybe our true value is down here at 6 bucks. But what I like to see is the shape. This shape where it goes up, down, and then it starts to turn back up slowly at the end. That is a key thing that I look for. That means they're back in the news. They have some new developments. Something's happening after they had a lull period. What this period is accumulation mode. That's the way I look at it. This is where it's so low now. You saw that the interest will be here when it first came out in like the 29th of March, around the late March, 27th, 28th March. That's not long. This is only a 6-month project, 5 or 6 months. And for it to bottom out in those 5 months and already start to turn back up, that is an excellent sign to me. So I went from 6, it was in the 5s at one point. Yeah, 498, look at that. And now it's back up to, let's get to the end, 19 bucks. So from the bottom to the top, it's back. From the bottom to currently, it's almost 4x, 5x. That is a positive sign that this thing is going to go. This is a coin I'm going to look for. The thing that I want to know is about Eternity Chain. It's NFT coin. So you want to look at Engine. What's that other with Terra Luna? You want to look, is it Terra Luna? I can't think of the name, but there's a lot of other coins that are in the NFT market. You want to compare the market cap of them to some of the $1 trillion market cap billion dollar market cap NFTs. So at 213 million, you're talking about 5x just to get to the market cap of some of the big guys. And those are the ones that are only 1 billion. There's $10 billion NFT coins. So there is a lot of room for this to grow. That's definitely something to keep in mind. That's a very important point whenever you decide what token you want. Then you want to know the amount from the all-time high. All-time high was 70 bucks roughly. It's 20 now. So you got at least 3.5 times your money to grow just to get back to where it was. And that's probably not as high as it's going to go. Also, the use case or the industry. This is the NFT market. This year, NFTs are what's hot. Gaming, NFTs, art, music. So the industry is good. Everything is checking off. The market cap is good. New development, or is it in the news or anything that makes that curve turn back up right after it hit the bottom? We saw it has that. We saw that it turns back up in the end. This coin is hot. And this is an example of something I'll look at. Not to look at, I will get this, in fact. And you want to scroll down past, and you can look at the bottom of the page, and it tells you all of the places you can buy it. So I shop on Binance, I shop on Uniswap version 2, Uniswap version 3, Gate.io. Any place that you have an exchange where you can buy tokens, these are all of the places that you could go to buy. I will go with the ones that have the biggest, plus and minus 2% depth, because that shows where most of the money is. So Uniswap V2 would probably be the place I would buy this from, that it would be most available, and my transaction will go through. So if I wanted to take the time, I could go to this part over here and say I could join their Discord. I could go to their Twitter, read up what people are saying, their Telegram, or just go to their website itself. Okay, so let's just go check it out. Are any of these playing? Okay, so this one's playing. The Sandy Wajima. That's one NFT they sell. Oh, this is playing. It's just a slow twist. That's Muhammad Ali's gloves. That's cool. El Nino. So these are just the graphics that they sell. Okay, that was something I wanted to show. I wanted to see what their site looked like. Uh, they have the contact. They have their own wallet where you can buy their NFTs, and you can just buy the coins themselves. Okay, so that's Eternity's site. Okay, very quick in and out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understood, and I hope you're able to look for what type of tokens wet your whistle, and maybe get into something a little bit if you want to gamble and have some fun and make a lot of money here. All right, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day, your evening, and I hope you make some money out there.